Hey guys, welcome back to a Dapper Day. Hope everybody's doing good. I want to thank my subscribers. I got a few subscribers over the weekend. That's awesome. If you guys like the content, please subscribe. I'm going to be delivering a lot of, DeFi protocols showing you guys how to earn money with your money. Today, we're going to focus on the Solana ecosystem, right? As you guys see, Solana's pumping. Had a really good year. So what we're going to do today, we're going to work with Orca Finance, or just Orca. I don't see finance here. So basically, Orca is a really good protocol. I've been adding liquidity there for the most part. It seems to be the easiest protocol for me to add liquidity. They do a lot of volume. It's pretty simple. The user experience is good. I'm able to generate a lot of funds through this protocol. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. Here we are on the Twitter. Just scrolling through to see if there's anything new. Okay. Seems that they dropped a new version recently. And, okay, not much here, but it's a solid protocol. Nothing really to see here. I guess they're in partnership with Jupiter Exchange, which is a really good protocol as well. It's like a DEX aggregator, which allows you to trade assets between different DEXs. So you don't have to, leverage one DEX. You can basically find the best trade, or the best, the best exchange rate for your assets going through multiple DEXs. That's what Jupiter does. Okay, so let's go to Orca. Okay, this is the homepage here. As you can see, they have a DEX here. You can trade your assets on the Solana ecosystem. Okay, so what we're going to do today is we're going to go into the pools. Okay, here we are. I'm going to add liquidity to this pair. This is Solana USDC. So Solana and a stable coin. They have they have some meme coins here. That's not bad. If you like meme coins, maybe adding some liquidity. If you have a large position in meme coins, maybe you can take, let's say, 10% of your meme coin, and add liquidity with that percentage of capital. So you're not fully risk on with your meme coin, and you still have a lot in your position, but you're able to earn some passive income with the rest of it. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so we're going to, well, I already have my Solana and I already have some USDC. Okay, so get straight to it. Here we are. We're able to customize my range. Here, the current price of Solana is here, 236. So I'm gonna add my range. Give it some space. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably go down here to about 220. I'm gonna go to 220 in case it has a reversal. Okay, and then give this about $10. So 130. So it's 236 now. So this position is going to be available until 247. Give it a little more space because it's been running really hard. I'll just take it to 250. Okay, 250 to 220 sounds about good. Okay, this actually is still good. My yield here for the 24 hours is 0.9%. So that's pretty good yield for your assets. And these are safe assets. Solana, USDC, you don't have to really worry too much. Only thing you're gonna have to worry about is the fact that Solana is very volatile. It's been doing really well this cycle, so you may have to come back and adjust your range. So if you ever come to your pool and if you ever go to your portfolio and you see that something is out of range, that just means that your prices have been taken out. So right now, if the price goes from 235 to, let's say, 255, this position will no longer be earning me capital. Then I have to come back in and readjust my range. So imagine if this was 255 here, I would be readjusting my range, maybe pull it out to 275 and, you know, on the low end 235. Give myself some space. Hope that's clear. If you guys have any questions about it, just leave a comment. So I'm gonna go. Let's do this. So I have about 237. That's good. About $400 position. This is decent money here. You know, it depends on how much you have to play with, right? Of course, if you had a really large amount, like let's say this was 4,000, you're earning about 1% a day. It's about $40 a day, so that's pretty good. But even here, earning $4 a day is not bad on some assets that are pretty solid. And you know, you can do a lot of small positions and they add up to big positions, right? So you don't have to go all in on one position. So let's go. This is actually pretty fast. I like it. I actually like it a lot. Okay, here's my wallet. Confirm. Confirm is my favorite button, by the way. Okay, it's good to go. So I'm gonna check it out. I have other positions in here, so you guys might see here. I have one that's out of range. My Zeus Sol position is out of range. My Jupiter USD position is in range. I have $60 here pending, which is pretty good. This is the position we just made. And good to go. Of course, nothing here yet. This Zeus position, you know, if you guys want to, I'll just go through. Let me just actually, I'm going to show you guys how to get back into position if something's out of range. So here we go. The current price of Zeus is basically 0.0018. I'm basically providing capital at a range of 0.003 to 0.004. So I'm way off here. I don't know how long this has been off, maybe a while. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna basically withdraw this position, and as you can see, I'm holding all Zeus, right? Because basically when you fall out of range, instead of it being half and half, it goes one-sided. So basically I've been holding Zeus this whole time, which is one of the reasons why I kept it. I didn't adjust the range, is because I'm guessing when I got into this range, the price of Zeus was a lot higher. And because I want to get all of the basically upside potential from Zeus going back into this range, if I hold it and then it will go up, rather than now what I have to do is when I close this position, here's a button, close position, it's going to give me Zeus. I'm going to have to sell half into Sol. So basically, you know, kills a bit of the upward potential that I could be seeing, but I'm going to just do it because I want to earn with this Zeus. I feel like it's just sitting here. And if I want to hold Zeus, I should just hold it outside of a liquidity pool. You know what I mean? I can just hold it in my wallet, and that's all. Which is what I'm probably gonna do. I'm just gonna, there it goes, it's gone. I'm gonna basically, not gonna put all this Zeus back. First things first, I gotta trade it. So let me go here. Let me find my Zeus. Here it is. I would wanna cut it in half. But I'm not going to cut it in half because I do want to hold some, so I'll do that. There you go. Yeah. So basically I just sold some of my Zeus here. I'm doing that now. And I'm buying Solana with it. This way I can go back into the pool with a half and half Zeus Solana position. Right? So if you guys ever see out of range, you know, nothing to do there, you just want to go back into position and start earning on that capital again, right? Like I said, if you want to hold assets outside of liquidity pools just to let them ride and make your money off of just the asset appreciation, you can do that. You don't have to necessarily put all your capital into pool. This is just me because I really like DeFi and I really like earning passive income over speculation. So what I will do in a situation like this is I'll just add the liquidity, make the money, pool here, the Zeus Sol. As you can see, the TVL is not as high as Sol. The fees are not as high. It's saying here the average yield is about 0.8%. So let's see how that works. Let's see how this looks when I add liquidity to it. Okay, so we're gonna do custom again. And the current price is 0.0018. I think this is pretty good. This yeah, and the 24-hour yield is pretty good too. So I think this range is good. I'm not gonna adjust it. We're basically going from 0.0016 to 0.0020. So some space to move around and earning some good yield. So I'm just gonna go forward with that. Maybe do 600. And okay. So that's a $500 position. Well, 542. I'm gonna go forward with this one and see how it goes. Come back, check on this later. It was just that simple. As you guys saw, once my position was out of range, I just withdrew the assets that were in there, and then I came back and I basically just redid the position, and now it's in range, it's green, and it's earning. So I'm going to be checking on this as a week, and as you can see, it's earning more than other positions that I have. Like 4% a day is actually really good, and this is doable. I'm not doing anything magic. This is just me adding a position to a liquidity pool that doesn't have too much people in there trying to fight for the fees. Basically why I'm making so much there. So that's all, guys. I hope you guys learned how to use Orca today. It's a great protocol to earn some passive yield. Here you can see 65,000. I'm gonna probably claim this after I shut the video off. Send that to my card, use it for whatever, groceries, anything I want. And that's kind of how I go by. I just live off of DeFi for the most part, and I try to make as much capital as I can, leveraging my capital. So I hope you like the content, and if you guys do, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon.